Hey guys, in today's video I will tell you how much does Mark Weins makes on YouTube. So if you wanna know, then watch the video till end and subscribe the channel to know how much your favorite YouTuber earns. First of all guys, how does YouTubers get paid? They get paid by placing ads on their videos. If they place more ads, they makes more money. Secondly, CPM stands for cost per 1000 views, means how much advertiser pays to run their ads on YouTube. Average CPM is $4. And the earning depends on many factors, from where the video is watched, how long the video was watched. Thirdly, YouTube takes 45% of creator revenue, means 55% creator gets and 45% YouTube takes. Now let's take a look at their channel analytics. It has total of 8 million subscribers and total 1275 videos and 1.8 billion total views lifetime on their channel while filming the video. Now let's take a look at their estimated revenue. How much does it makes monthly, annually from YouTube? This channel gets 100,000 subscribers per month and over 29 million views per month. So according to that, if we multiply their views with average $4 CPM, then their estimated monthly earning is $120,000, and multiplying monthly earning with 12 shows that they make over $1.4 million annually. It's insane guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you also want to earn money from YouTube, then check out the link in the description to learn from scratch how to start and earn a decent amount and become a successful YouTuber. Thank you so much for watching the video.